Hey kids, so today we are going to learn how to apply transition effects on a Google slide. Okay, so this is a presentation that I have created for you. So now, what do we mean by transition effect? Transition effect means uh, how the transition appears when we move from one slide to another slide when we are presenting a presentation. Okay, now what do we mean by this? Suppose I am on slide number 1 and while presenting, I am moving to slide number 2. So instead of the slide to directly appear, there comes different types of effects. Now let's see what are these transition effects. On the toolbar over here, we have this transition option called change transition. When we click on this, a new pane opens in the right hand side. This pane is called as motion pane. Now as you can see, there are two types of transitions. One is slide transition and the other one is object animations. Today we are only going to learn about slide transition. For now there is no transition applied, that's why it's written none over here. Now just beside this none, there is a small arrow. When we click on this small arrow, it shows us different transition types. There is dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, gallery. You can select any one of it. Now let's try flip. Suppose I'm selecting flip. When I select flip, there are three speeds given to me. It can be slow, it can be medium, and it can be fast. Now suppose I'm keeping it on medium speed. Okay. Now this transition I can apply to all the slides that are there in this presentation or only to this first slide. Now when we click on play, it shows us how the transition will look like. Now let's see how the flip transition looks like. Okay, so this is how flip transition looks like. Now let's try some other transition. I'll click on this stop button and then I'll click on the small arrow once again. Suppose I'm selecting dissolve. Dissolve also has three speeds, that is slow, medium and fast. I'm keeping medium and I'll see how the transition looks like. Yeah, so dissolve looks like this one. So you can try different types of transition effects on your Google slide. I hope you understood how to use transition, how to apply transition effects on a Google slide. Thank you.